Greetings to all. DailyNetPay, private trade shares, live real trading for DNP PTS, Friday, December 28, 2018. And dear members, ladies and gentlemen, prospects, interested people who are in the room today, this is going to be the last trading for 2018. So let's get right down to the business. We have actually summarized everything, and we have traded a lot of trades today. So I'm just going to kind of put everything in the shortest form possible. So let's go right to the markets. Our market, we have Oanda. It's our main broker for Forex trading. That's the only one we use. That's the best one. And these are the 8 markets that we trade, I trade the most. And basically, I'm just going to show you a few markets, then I'm going to summarize. Well, okay, how am I going to summarize? Well, first of all, I'm going to show you these are the 8 markets, and you can see it in here. And right down here, we have 2, 4, 6. We started off with 6 trades. And the start off for Friday morning was kind of rough. Overall, during the month of December was very hard time trading markets because the markets were very volatile. A lot of things happening. Then Christmas, festive season, you know, there's a lot of things happened before the new year. So the global markets are kind of wild. But anyways, you can see it was rough starting out. In red, these are the losing trades, and usually when we start off, you're going to see red because of the broker's spread or the fees are put into the trade, so automatically kind of puts the account in negative, then it starts going up or our way. This is, we started off with this British pound against USD, and you can see, you know, we have traded this market 4 times. We started off, we got stopped out over here because we went for prices down using a London daybreak, but it only went down to this much. Then the market reversed and went up like crazy. So this over here cost us $102.44. I have tried my hardest way to recover the rest of this by trading, you know, so-called scalping, okay, the trades to get our losses back. So I managed to, you know, went in reversal for prices up or going long, and there was, you know, trades I made in this area which profited. One trade $25.23. One, the market was reversing again, but we end up with $2.59, and we went up again for prices with a 4th trade at $24.55. So it was a hectic trade. Okay. We traded some USD and against Canadian dollar, the same thing. We did good, but it only over here it was short-lived, and all of a sudden the market just took a big turnaround and went up. And you can see in red $25. That was another loss. What else? We have traded all of these markets, and you know, some were profitable, small profits. To regain, you know, most of our trades that we have lost. And you can see the green, this is where the profits was. And, you know, there's different situations for different trading. This was another one. See, there was a small profit, London daybreak going for prices up. It worked good, but it was a very small profit. We actually lost this because the market in here did turn around and went back up. But I trying to regain, and actually, you know, we end up with higher profits up here when it reached its peak, and I took a chance for prices to come down. And, you know, whatever goes up, I want to see a 50% retracement, and this is what we did. And we gained $51.25. So, you know, these were the markets for Forex trading. Right now, we are trading also cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency does not sleep. Bitcoin, or you know, it's 24/7, 365 days a year. And you can see right now we are in profit in here, Bitcoin, where there's different coins, cryptos, but we're mainly in Bitcoin. I trade a $5,000 USD account. Right now we have 7.09% ROE, return on equity. Bitcoin is not investment. They call it in BitMEX, that's our broker. For crypto, it's return on equity. And you can see in here, positions open 1, size 5,000, and the value of it, XBT, that's Bitcoin. It's just BitMEX puts it X in front of it. And you can see that our entry price was $3,874. This is where we entered the market over here. Actually, we entered back here, went down, but the market, it seems to be going up. Okay. Entry price, I said that the current price is 3,900 or 3,902 and all four. So you can see the prices are going. This is liquidation price. This is our stop loss. Okay. But if it hits over here, we're going to lose all of our Bitcoin, which is practically, we have 1.432 at this time. But, I do place stop losses, trade profits, and whatever, if it doesn't go against that. Okay, so, okay, what we're going to do, see this red candle? The market went up, and it's strong up, and it's just turned green again. But usually, the way I use this strategy, this strategy is based not on candles. See, the candles give you a lot of different information, a lot of charting reading. I use both. I use the candles called Hiking Ashi, okay, which basically allows you to concentrate on the trend. So you can see when these things, the green candles with the wick up, pointing up, is a strong market. Now over here, these two, this more likely the market is going to go down. So as soon as I see that the market is beginning to, okay, there's another one, okay, it's pointing up. So we are 7.98, or we have Bitcoin 0.0103 Bitcoin, okay, earned right now, okay, in profitable trade. So that's not bad, and it's still going up. But as soon as I see that these red candles are present, I sell the market, or I can go for prices down. What I'm going to say about Bitcoin, I did not during the festive season, during Christmas. I try to kind of keep up to date with it, but we're busy with family and friends and grandkids and all kinds of stuff. Now we're just ready to leave for down south after New Year. I didn't have a real good chance. This is why the trading was limited. This will affect the payouts, okay, because back to normal will be January 7th, when we are trading full-time blast again on daily basis, after the market settle, maybe will be less volatile, a more steady markets. The markets always will be risky, and there's always going to be stuff happening globally, but, during the last few days of the old year, there's a lot more happening. I like this, just keep on going up. But I didn't have that much chance to find out. I just watched some reports today, and they are predicting that Bitcoin, I'm not a financial advisor, this is just my opinion and of others, that Bitcoin might end up around $4,000, $4,500 within the, New Year or shortly after. So, so that's good news for us, and it's certainly, it's only at what, 39.11 right now, and the way it's going, okay, I'm gonna keep this straight. I'm not gonna change it, even if we get a red candle, because what we have when we go 1 hour chart, Okay, and let's go auto. Okay, one. So we have, well, we have like a more of a sideways channel, but that's okay. But the market is turning into what do you call, into upwards channel, and this is our entry point. So this is right now it's 0.132 a Bitcoin, and it goes, excuse me, up and down, but it looks pretty good. And usually what I do, okay, with Bitcoin, I trade dips, okay? And what I mean, see this dip over here? Okay, when it turns, as soon as I see a green candle, okay, then it goes for prices up. When it gets right to the top, when I see a red candle for prices down, then I go that, and then go back and up and down like this, okay? So like right now, this is only a first candle, so it's pointing that the market is going to come down. You can see 0.98%, okay, not 0.98%, Bitcoin, okay. So is it going to go way down? This was the current one. And usually I want to see a second candle. What's going to happen is it's going to be the same color. If it's like over here, see, was this, but then the trade market went down. Okay. See, now we have 108. Okay, second one. I'm selling the market. Okay, close the market at that price. Okay, we have sold 5,000 contracts, or the 5,000 US. At this price. Okay, so we have no trades right now, right? And you can see now we have gained 0.1518 Bitcoin. So we made 0.108 of Bitcoin profit. Okay, and that's the way it is with trading. So now let's finalize the DailyNetPay private trade shares for the trading results for Friday, December 18th. We have traded total of 14 markets today. I don't think I've traded that many markets in this entire year of 2018. And I'm going to say, in December, we did not have $1,000 trade share. In the month of November, I think we had 3 or 4 or 5 or something like that. The biggest trade for month of December was $672 in one day. Like I say, December is a very volatile market. And it trades because it's the last month of the year, lots happen. You got to be really careful. You got to be really up to date, staying with the markets. And during that month I'm very busy, so I kind of lay off the trades. But in January we're going full blast because we need these trades in order to earn that up to 0.5% per day. So we have total of 10 wins, which ended up, like, those wins were small, what I showed you, $146.43, but our losses, we had 4 losing trades, but they exceeded our profit. So we end up in the last day of the year with a loss of $118.19. It's not a huge loss, it's not a bad loss, but I don't like the loss, I don't like losing, but hey, in trading, somebody tells you that they win every trade. That is the biggest BS. And nobody, the biggest gurus of the world, millionaires and trades of all, who've been trading for 30 years or more, they will always tell you not all trades will be won. Okay? There are, as long you are winning more than losing, that's where the profits come in. So, these things, the month of November, we had trades, we only lost like 6 trades for the month of November. In December, it was totally different. I haven't calculated the whole thing, but I know we have doubled that amount. But of course, we're still coming ahead a bit, but our profits are not as big as they were in November. But I hope, and that will change in the month of January and New Year, going forward. And you can see the trading results. Okay, you can see all these 14. This is where we started. Okay, you can see 5:34 and going up to 2:28 p.m. We started with loss, win, loss, loss, a little win. You can see in here trying to recover our losses by keep on scalping the markets. And I did over here. We got in the good, but you know, these were the markets actually reversed. When the markets reverse against, I was kind of going against the trend, and you don't really want to trade against the trend. Many will tell you a trend is your friend, but I tried my best to recoup some of the losses, and it worked out. Even if with $1.50 is the trade is a trade, it's a profitable one. I'd rather see $1.50 or these low trades instead of like this minus 102.44. Anyways, and you know, once again, this was BitMEX XBT equals BTC, and you can see, you know, we have exited that trade because this was the trade that I just showed you live as we sold that. Okay, so, you know, and you can see, we sold it over here, market went up again, and now what I'm going to do in this case, okay, I'm just going to make this thing larger, all right, when the price gets down to here, see this, Bollinger Band, the bottom one, I'm going to go for prices up again. Okay, or if I see a downtrend, but the trend is up right now, so I will follow. I rather go from up down. If this trend was downwards, then I would take a trade from here and go for prices up. But just to be extra safe, if it's up trading and they're predicting it's going to go to about 4,000 and above, so we will stick around with the uptrend. Okay, so this is it for Friday, December 28th. And once again, you know, this is our last trade. And my final words to everybody of DailyNetPay private trade shares members, those who come into our private trade room to see what I trade during the day. I'm in there off and on. The trades are happening. These are live, real trades. New people, interested people, other traders kind of watch me too. You know, whoever. But my final words for 2018, whatever you do out there, I wish you nothing but the best, nothing but true success. And first of all, number one is I wish you lots of health, because you can have money, but if you don't have health, nothing matters. So I wish you to be very healthy and become very wealthy in 2019. So that's it. Thank you, and God bless.